Time to install a new brake pad because the old one fell off while I was driving. You can see that's really worn in. It was ripped, it came right off. So I think this is about $22, $23 in total. Go ahead and put this on. Make sure it's lined up and then go slow. There you go. That's the slow noise you want. Make sure it's lined in at X.
Was it in or no?
It wasn't in. Yeah, there you go. Twist it a little till you feel it in there. Yeah, start. There you go. That's it. Stop. You finished it. That's good. All done.
It's supposed to in the